Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Aramide and today we're making authentic suya spice. To shop your suya spice ingredients, this is what the vendor shop looks like. They display so many different types of spices, from Calabash nutmeg to cloves to coriander and so many more. In shops like this, you find spices for pepper soup, for jollof rice and so much more. This particular market is in Auto Market in Oyingbo, Lagos, Nigeria. For this recipe, I'm using small dry chilies. You can use the long chilies, you still get the same results. Without Kuli Kuli, there is no suya spice. Ensure to get the very dried one so that your suya spice will not cake too much. Next, we have Sukuni. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. It looks kind of similar to thyme, but it's not thyme. You will need it as well. There's no suya spice without dried ginger. You would need dried ginger as well. Please pay attention to the quantity of ingredients I'm using. You will also get some Calabash nutmeg. This one is popularly known as Ehuru, and I think you should be familiar with it because so many Nigerian soup recipes calls for it. Next ingredient on our list is garlic. I'm using fresh garlic, but if you can get your hands on dried garlic, please ensure to use it. But then, fresh garlic does not stop your suya spice from being authentic. You also need some coriander seeds. It's very important, so ensure to get it. Now, this is Uda. It's also known as Kimba pepper. You only need about 4 to 5 pieces of it and you are good to go. Now, this is Omelo. I hope I'm correct. It's known as paradise plum. You would need about 4 to 5 pieces of it to add to your suya spice. Also, what is suya spice without adding cloves? You need cloves. You need not too much cloves and not too little cloves. It's very important in your authentic suya spice. Also, some black peppercorn. Black peppercorn is just as important as every other ingredient as well. For seasoning, I'm using Onga. Okay, with this Onga, you really don't need to add paprika. But if you're using Ajinomoto, Ajinomoto gives your suya spices umami flavor. Then you need to add paprika for colors. Okay, so you also need some salt. Not too much salt and not too little. The next thing you want to do is to just transfer everything into your blender. I'm using my Buchi mix blender, which is going to, crush the suya spice ingredients to powder. So I would advise you invest in one. After blending all of the ingredients, this is what it looks like. So we're just going to be sifting it now, to get the very smooth and fine texture. You can as well transfer this back into your blender and blend till it's smooth and sift again. Okay, now afterwards you transfer into an airtight container, and this suya spice is so good that you can use it for your chicken, your fish, your beef, lots and lots of recipes. Okay, please, if you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please ensure to do so right away, and don't forget to drop a comment, don't forget to like this video, and do not forget to share. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.